Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, yes, it's a little bit different. We're talking about Cricket Wireless, guys. If you don't know who Cricket Wireless is, or what Cricket Wireless is, should I say, they're basically using AT&T towers, to put it in a good way, so they're right under AT&T. So let's go ahead and check it out. So just because school's starting, I'm kind of going back and looking at other prepaid carriers and what kind of deals they have going on. So I did one with Boost Mobile where they're actually doing an LG Stylo 5 free, and then a buy one get one with a Samsung Galaxy A10e. So now we're talking about Cricket. Like I said, let's go ahead and check it out. Some of you guys have been saying, hey, why don't you talk about the Cricket Wireless deals that they have going on. So I'm like, okay, I like to see what competition has going on, so let's go ahead and check it out. So if you go right now to cricket.com or cricketwireless.com, you'll be on this page, and let's go ahead and see what they have to offer. So it says friendly, affordable wireless. So it says go back to school with awesome deals on the hottest phones. That's what we want. Let's go ahead and check it out. Like I said, school, at least here, it starts on the 28th, I believe. So it's pretty close, almost, about 2 weeks left. So it says hot deals at Cricket Wireless. This is the best deal right here. We'll talk about it in just one sec. But here's some other deals like the LG Fortune 2, free with a port in. 50 for a new activation and 50 for an upgrade. Same thing LG Harmony 2. The Motorola Moto G7 Super, another really good phone, $60 with a port in. So you must port a number in from a company that's not AT&T related. So excludes AT&T ports, guys. So no H2O or AT&T prepaid or anything that uses AT&T. The Moto E5 Cruise. The Nokia 3.1. I'm just showing you some quick ones, but like I said, the one we're really going to be focusing on is that Galaxy S9. Here's another one too for the price. The LG Stylo 4, very nice phone, $100 with a port in. $130 basically for a new or upgrade. Another one, LG Stylo 5. I would say probably get the 5 with a port in, or $150 with a new or upgrade. For a couple extra more dollars, you can get a really good phone. The LG is very nice. Now here's the Samsung. This is a Samsung Galaxy S10, guys. So $700. Of course, you already know this phone's pretty expensive. Or a new line or upgrade, you can get it for $800. But you might be saying, this is not what I came for. Let me see what your title should say. So Samsung Galaxy S9, guys. This is a crazy good deal. This phone, when it first came out, I believe last year, this phone was expensive. It was like, oh God, what was it, like $750 maybe? Because I got my 9 Plus, and it was up there too. I think the 9 Plus was like $900, like near $900. I don't even remember. It's been a while. But I have the 9, and guys, I love mine. Yes, I did get the unlocked variant. That way I can use it with multiple carriers. But hey, right now, if you have AT&T coverage in your area, make sure you have AT&T coverage, because like I said, Cricket runs off of AT&T, and they will use their tower. So let's look at it online only. So you cannot go to a Cricket Wireless store and pick this up, guys. They will not have this offer. It's only online. So let's say Samsung Galaxy S9, you can get it for $275, guys, with a port. That is an amazing price. What's cool about this too is if you're just getting a new line of service, same thing, $275. So even if you don't have a number to port, you can still get this deal. Of course, you must activate on an eligible plan, limited, so basically you have to put it on an eligible, plan and all this other stuff. The only one thing that sucks about this plan is you would get it for $550 if you were doing an upgrade. And of course, they will require a $25, I guess, upgrade fee, which is, kind of sucks, but I guess the full retail price is $600. So technically they're saving you $50 with an upgrade if you're a current customer. And plus that, they'll charge you $25 basically upgrade fees. What I guess upgrade requires $25 fee. So yeah, of course, guys, everybody knows if you're a current customer with all these companies, doesn't matter who you're with, Boost, Cricket, Metro, the best deals go to new lines or port-ins, especially port-ins, because they want to make sure you can bring your number over and you will stay longer. I'll make a separate video about that. But yes, guys, let's go ahead and check this phone out. Let's check it out. You also probably want to do this before they get sold out, because they tend to sell out online. So as you can see, here it is. New customer, bring your, you can either bring my number to Cricket or a new number. So $275 is an amazing deal, guys. I would jump on this deal like right now if, you know, if I didn't already have this phone, if I wanted a 9, and the 9 is an amazing phone. So this one, of course, comes in black, which they all tend to, you know, but very nice phone. Let's look at some, you know, key features and specs and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Let's just look at the specs. So here we go, guys. Android 8.0 Oreo. They need to update that because you do get 9.0 Pi already. The screen is a 5.8-inch full rectangle Quad HD plus Super AMOLED. Very nice. 5.7 rounded corners. Memory, guys, look at this. 64 gigs of internal storage. And you can put a memory card up to 400 gigabytes, guys. Amazing. Of course, it's 4G LTE compatible where available. You know, you might be, it depends, like say where AT&T is best coverage. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C. That's another thing, with fast charging, of course, guys. So this phone does have fast charging, and it charges pretty quick. Of course, the camera is another really good thing. It does have that low light sensor and all that other stuff. The rear is a 12 megapixel with a dual pixel and UHD video. Front's 8 megapixel with QHD video. Of course, has maps and everything. HD voice, yes, and then processor. It's an octa-core quad 2.8 gigahertz plus quad 1.7. This is the Snapdragon 845, guys. Very nice processor, super fast. You can run anything on here. You can play even Fortnite and PUBG if you wanted to. That's how good this processor is. The battery is a 3000 milliamp, of course. And then, of course, there's a hearing and rate plans and all this other stuff. But yes, guys, I would totally recommend this phone for that price. It's a steal, man. I wish, you know, I probably should have waited to get mine. Like I said, when I got mine when it first came out, and it was expensive, especially because I got the unlocked variant. But hey, I can use it with any carrier that I want, so it's pretty cool. But that is the deal of, you know, of today, should I say? But this deal is going for a little bit, so it's nice. Back to school promotion. Like I said, everybody wants to go back to school, well, has to go back to school, and you want to go rocking a new phone. So this is a good deal. You know, if you don't have AT&T or Cricket, this is good to check it out, you know. And then, you know, like I said, I'm not really loyal to just one brand. I like helping everybody out, so check it out. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, you know, if you do want to save some money, let me give you a shout out to my new supporter, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Cricket, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. All that will be in the description below, guys. Like I said, you will find amazing deals, and you do get some like basically cash back. So here you go. So you can see you can get some cash back.